Welcome back. Time now for the business day. The Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, has invested over 10 million Jamaican dollars into a program to provide support for local businesses. The entity launched EMPOWERJA, Building Bridges for Business Success Forum series in partnership with the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, last week. PSOJ President Mitra Siaga says the project, which starts in November, will equip businesses with the tools to adapt to the current dynamic industry needs.
Through these forums, we are setting the stage for enterprise to embrace sustainability, innovation, and inclusivity. The IDB has been a beacon of support, continuously bolstering our mandate in pinpointing the essential sectors that demand our attention. Today, as we launch these forums, our collective focus remains firmly on data-driven insights catering to the unique needs of SMEs and large enterprises.
Policy Programs and Research Manager at the PSOJ, Georgette Bolton-Smith, says there are a number of key areas the fora will cover.
The forums will feature presentations from both local and industry specialists, as well as government officials who will share their insight and expertise on various topics, such as how to make artificial intelligence work for companies, how to fortify Jamaica's cybersecurity landscape, creating a comprehensive digital transformation, empowering businesses for tomorrow to build a sustainable workforce, and embracing diversity in the Jamaican workplace. As you can see, we aim to provide SMEs with information that they are lacking.
The series will run until December 2024. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Good evening.